Hey, Will, where do you think would be a good place to drone?
At the Windmills.
Let's go, bro. Go, bro. Let's go. Look at these 5 shoes, though.
Yeah.
Dude, you're dressed for the occasion. Wait, I almost forgot. What is this video gonna be called?
Windmills 2.0. Parentheses with drone.
Yeah, let's go. So we just got here and we're gonna be hiking up right now. So we're headed up right now, going to that bridge. Windmills are on the other side of that. We just found this Coca-Cola bottle and we're gonna do it, smash it in slow-mo. All right, update, William, where are we, man?
We're hiking to the Windmills.
And we're almost there. Will, what time is it?
Golden hour.
Willard, we made it.
Yes, we did. Next shot's gonna be the drone.
All right, Will, did you get some sick drone shot?
Yeah,
Dude, all right. We're on our way back now. How close did you get to the turbines?
pretty close. I accidentally pressed the up joystick. Bro, look, the moon's out. We gotta go and get that cheese.
All right, thanks for watching, everyone.
Subscribe to the channel
That concludes Windmill 2.0.
with drone.
Please like and subscribe and put your comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.